car dealers need to effectively market their inventory to their prospective online customers. Online inventory marketing can take several forms. Most common is the dealer's primary website and third-party sites like AutoTrader or Cars.com. The last time you shopped for a car online, you probably utilized these or similar sites. But do you know how merchandised vehicles get there? I'm going to show you the basic flow so you'll have a better understanding of how this happens. First of all, how does the dealer's site and third-party sites get merchandise inventory? Inventory is sent to these sites from what we commonly call a vehicle marketing system. They go by many names, but to keep it simple, we refer to these collectively as vehicle marketing systems. Unlike buying t-shirts online where you have 10 large blue shirts, every vehicle is unique in some way. Because of this, it is important that dealers merchandise these vehicles with unique information, like photos. As mentioned, a VMS will be the source for data to the dealership's website and other third-party sites that a dealership subscribes to. It is a data entry point to help merchandise vehicles. Things like vehicle-specific photos, videos, descriptions, unique options, along with other data can be added into a VMS. Some VMS systems can scrub or clean raw data to make the vehicle presentation as accurate as possible. There are also VMS systems that perform specific tasks, like prices or video marketing, and do nothing else. I'll show you how those fit in just a bit. So the next question we need to answer is, where does a VMS get its data from? And the answer is a dealer management system, or DMS. Although this is a common interface for just about all dealerships, there are probably over 100 different providers that have different feature sets. It isn't important for you to know these for right now. Just be aware that there isn't just one. So common features of a DMS include printing forms and contracts. So as a customer purchases a vehicle, the DMS is the system that prints out the contracts and other forms to finalize the sale. As a quick tip, some dealers may not be familiar with the term DMS itself, but you can simply ask them what software they use to print their contracts. A DMS also manages the dealership accounting and inventory control. Because of this, it is the point of first entry for vehicles. And in most cases, we'll have VIN explosion. VIN explosion is a feature where a 17-character VIN is translated into human-readable vehicle information. So the DMS is where the vehicles are initially added, and that data needs to be exported from the DMS and imported into the VMS. To do this, DMS data fields need to be mapped to the corresponding attributes in the VMS. Things like make, model, trim, along with other available data. In some cases, a DMS will have data fields called something as unrecognizable as price to, or even field 36. So it's important to map these fields into the corresponding attribute. As I mentioned earlier, it is possible to have more than one vehicle marketing system in a chain. An example of this would be if a dealer uses a company to create custom videos for each of their vehicles and needs to have them merged into their main vehicle marketing system. This can be done, but you want to make sure and keep the path unidirectional for data accuracy and potential troubleshooting later on. And by the way, depending on the main VMS, it is possible to have many complementary VMSs in the chain. So as a recap, data gets mapped from the dealer management system into a vehicle marketing system. Then vehicles get merchandised within the vehicle marketing system with things like photos, video, vehicle descriptions, equipment, and prices. And ultimately displays on the dealer main website and gets syndicated to all subscribed third-party websites.